In this video, I will show you Ceridian Dayforce Payroll tutorial. Ceridian Dayforce Payroll makes sure that your payroll is painless for your organization. It is a platform that cuts through compliance complexity and scale with ease. It has been trusted by 6 million users worldwide. It aims to save time processing payroll, for it believes that running payroll accurately, efficiently, and on time is a complex undertaking, especially with ever changing business conditions and regulations. Now, with Dayforce Payroll, you can effectively manage your payroll with a unified platform for time and pay, run payroll at a scale, and boost employees' wellness and retention with on demand pay. Its objective is to stay on top of compliance, save time from rework, and boost employee well being. Dayforce Payroll helps monitor changing payroll and tax rules so you can stay ahead of any changes. Now you can reduce your compliance risk with a localized pay solution. Dayforce Payroll aims to have knowledge on no more batch processing with dated technology. It helps continuously calculate pay as time is captured so you get greater flexibility in how and when you process payroll. On top of that, it lets your employee get paid when they want. With access to on demand pay, you can improve well being for workers by helping them meet their financial commitments on time. Dayforce Payroll is a one payroll solution for your global workforce. It is also a payroll service to fit your business. It aims to take care of your payroll so you can focus on the rest. Now, partnering with Dayforce Payroll for managed payroll services means you can spend more time on strategic initiatives and less time in mitigating risk. Find the right solution for every stage of your growth journey. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.